Westermans here with a new bit of stock which has just arrived. This one's actually destined for a customer, but we've actually two in stock. Miller Big Blue 400X Pro. This one's actually fitted with the Arc-Reach wire feed unit or Arc-Reach suitcase. Client's also gone for a gouging torch, extension leads, basically a full package to keep him going. Even the actual cover for the Miller. Consumables. Very nice machine. Very light compared to some diesel welders, so sits in the van quite nicely. More details available on westermans.com or email welding@Westermans for prices. Like I say, one in stock. Long deliveries on more, but we can supply one from stock today. Unfortunately, the wire feed unit would have to follow, as that's an optional, but the Miller itself is in stock. Thank you for looking.